Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
I'm good.
Great,
Music.
great. So, how are you, Nadeem ji?
Yeah, good, good.
So, how your last week went? How's your experience about outcome? How you're feeling after doing your outcome activity, power leaps, and everything?
I
Please
feel,
share your experience.
yeah, I feel powerful because a lot of clarity is coming in mind in many areas. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so when we are working on the baselines and
आपकी voice थोड़ी
yeah,
कम आ रही
yeah,
है.
okay. So when I'm taking baselines into consideration, when I'm doing everything properly, so there's so much of clarity in my mind.
Yeah. It will help you in visualizing your outcome as if you are
Yes.
Right.
you will achieve it soon. Hima ji,
Yeah,
how's
it's
your
good,
experience about
amazing.
it?
I got clarity. I am doing every day e-codes. I speak loudly and in front of you. I paste in front of you e-codes. It's really good. I have a power. Now I feel ki I have a power to taking a decision and move forward. I achieve whatever I want.
Yeah, absolutely. So once you get that feeling, you get to know like sometimes you have to then after that you have to take some certain
You're right.
decisions, right? And in that case, our this is related to our next activity, which is called Unleash You. May I know what do you understand by unleash?
Unleash maybe something decision. You're taking a decision. That is, I
Yeah,
understand. Ki unleash. If I taking a decision, this is my unleash. Whatever I think, whatever I try
breaking
to
down all the
break down.
barriers and
Yes, you're
take
right.
the final decision,
Yes,
something like
yes.
that.
Impact.
Yeah, you're
What
right.
is the impact my family and friends that but whatever I
Yes,
taking a decision. That is
correct.
I understand.
Very nice. So I will explain it to you in little bit detail. Unleash you. Unleash you is simply destroy any obstructions that may come in the way of your outcomes and discover what kind of impact your friends and other people you spend uh, time with have on you. So normally whatever decisions we take in the past, you might have taken some decisions. Do you think you take every time it's easy to take the decisions?
No, not every time.
Not
Yeah.
every time, right? And all and after taking decision, sometimes do you think it is always we take the right decisions? How do we feel about that?
I don't know. Depend on situation to situation. Some I took decision without thinking. Some I took decision thinking, and maybe some decision I took. The impact is wrong impact on me and maybe others. That is I
So
felt.
yeah, so like here I will discuss about like something about our past decision when we will analyze whether we our decisions were right or wrong. So you will answer the set of questions about a decision that you have made in the past to identify what they could have done for a better decision. The purpose of this activity is to be aware of where and how they could not make a good decision in your past. So instruction. So you have three questions. Suppose I'll give you a situation. I don't have to give you a situation. Rather, you have to think about something in the past which you, as on date, feel it was a wrong decision. So will you, Nadeem ji, will you share some experience where you think that you have taken a wrong decision?
Yeah. In the past, I've started few businesses, uh, and I don't have expertise in that business. So few of my friends, I thought they will manage the business, so completely I left on them and I started the business. So then I,
Your voice is
Your voice is
yeah.
very.
So I had to completely depend on them for everything.
Oh, so what was the consequence of that decision?
So the business has not done well. It went into losses. The consequences is the loss because of my decision. If anything which is there in my control, then I would have been control the business well.
So how would your life would have been today if that decision would have been taken was right?
Yeah, obviously it will be happy. I would have been successful in that business.
And the more money flow will be there.
Yeah, money
Ultimately, the
flows.
wealth
Yes,
for the
yeah,
money,
yes.
right?
Lot of happiness, lot of money, lot of power in me. So now I am losing the money and lost the happiness and all that.
So with this, like we all can see that our decisions affects our life a lot.
Correct.
And while taking a decision, we have to be little bit careful now, because since we are working on our transformation journey, uh, this also plays a very important role how we are going to take this decision. The next step is I'm going to show in front of you is the decision wheel. This will help you to take that your decision, whatever your problem is, in a systematic way. So this will give you a certain set of, let me explain you the tool, and then we will do the exercise. So the decision wheel, about the decision making wheel. No more making wrong decisions. No more feeling overwhelmed with problems. We have a tool for you that will resolve your problems by making right decisions in a step-by-step manner. Decision making wheel is an online tool that will make you think that certain problem critically by asking few set of questions. At the end of all the questions, you will come to know about necessary information for you to make the right decision. So this tool, in this tool, like you have to think of two hypothetical problem scenarios and use them on this online decision making wheel to figure out the decision they need to make sure the resolution of that problematic situation. Outcome. The purpose of this activity is to understand how the decision making tool can help you to make the right decision in a certain kind of situations. So there are certain steps. In the center, you have to put this your problem, and there will be certain set of questions which you will answer, and that will help you in finally taking the right decision. So here I would like to give you maybe 20 minutes time. You think of a real situation, a real problem, and then we will discuss the questions related to it in the decision making tool, and then we will find out how this has helped you to taking the right decision. Okay, so we'll meet you after 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
So welcome back, both of you. I hope you have thought of a real life situation, real life problem, which we will discuss in detail little bit so that we can come to know how we are taking the decision, right? So, Nadim ji, shall I ask you what kind of what was the problem you kept in wheel of decision making?
Yeah, that's what which I shared about my business. I put that problem in the wheel of. So then I
So
get
what
it.
would,
Uh,
Mhm.
I got
So
it.
what was the
Clarity.
choices available in front of you?
Yes, choice is whether to take a decision or not to take a decision. So the choice is I can start the business. I can start the business which is I have a controller, which I know better. So now I'm doing those kind of
Great.
business. Yeah. So a lot of clarity I got by answering this question.
Hmm. Okay, great. So, consequences, as you told earlier, that the business did not work.
Yes. Yeah.
So now, like, what kind of baselines are connected to that?
Yeah. My baseline is happiness. Okay. So whatever I do, when I get happiness, I enjoy doing that. Whenever I don't get the happiness, I don't enjoy doing that. So now when I take right decisions, then I'll get happiness in my life. So baseline is matching when I get output, when I get outcome, very proper outcome which I'm thinking of, and I'll get a lot of happiness.
Very nice. Any other baseline is connecting? Happiness is one.
Yeah. And
The
the new,
well,
no,
Mhm.
when I do any new business, which give me a kick, like something new, something innovation, something better, something I want to.
Mhm.
I'm thinking of
Right.
I'm thinking of contribution. One of my baselines is contribution. So whatever I do while I was contributing back to the society, I feel good. I get happiness, contribution, love. All these are my baselines. So that kind of businesses I choose in the future.
Great. So is there anything else you need to learn about it?
Which one?
And
Hello.
anything else you need to learn about it? Learning
Yeah, in
and
like
like any help you need from anybody else in running those businesses?
yeah, obviously we need help from the employees. We need help from partners. We need help from many people. But once I have a clarity, now I get a lot of clarity what to do, how to do, when to do, where to do. So by answering this question, my mind it is getting very clear. So I will do this kind of business. I will not do this kind of business. So thanks for sharing this good tool with us.
Yeah, yeah. Welcome. So, what is your final decision, and you are happy about it? Do you think it is right, and why?
Yeah, I took a decision that I will go into my core area of business, which is my
Mm-hmm.
and while doing that kind of business, I get happiness because it is very close to my heart.
Yeah. So now you see, we have seen that if we follow this decision making tool, it gives much more clarity, much more it spend our thought process expands like anything to that help us in taking the right decision.
Right.
So this way, like finally and accordingly, we take the finally a right decision. So we have another activity that is called Let's Make a Decision. So in this decision making wheel to resolve the real life problem and making the right and well thought process. The purpose of this activity is that to ensure that they make right decision for a real problem in their life using decision making tool. So they will put the real life problem and then now uh, we will learn how what are the learnings overall learning from the whole process which has landed up you in making right decision. And I hope this tool first you share the overall learning. I would like to know from you, Hemaji.
Mm, my decision. Yes, final decision is I got clarity. Whatever I take a decision, I think first I think, then I'll take a decision very calmly. And my decision totally based on my baseline, which give me a happiness and fullness, and that is my final decision. This is my final
Hmm.
decision.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
So with this we can say that in future we will take whenever we have to take some
Yeah.
critical decisions, if we go through this wheel of decision
Yeah.
making,
So,
we will
uh,
end up with taking a good decision.
yeah.
So with this
First,
hope, and this will cheer up, definitely it gives us happiness. So
yes,
let's keep on appreciating ourselves as we are doing through the whole sessions. So applaud yourself for taking the
yes.
right decisions and
Thank
uh, keep appreciating yourself, keep applauding yourself, and then we will move further into the other exercises, how we can upgrade keep on upgrading, motivating ourselves in further sessions. So see
yes.
you next week.
Yeah.
All the best to both of you and
So,
complete your work. Okay. If you have any question, please drop a message to me.
yeah. Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye. कितना हो गया होगा?
हो गया है आपका?